house called me. It's like at first it was so sweet, bro. I was like, okay, but I'm like, why is some old uncle talking about having sex and masturbating in Mexico? And then he does like the finger in the whole motion. He's like, ये भी चाहिए तो करवा देंगे. Welcome back to 365 Cities in 365 Days. Hey guys, got everything. Time to leave Jhansi now. Heading to the bus stand. Today I was supposed to go to Gwalior, bro, but like we woken up like kind of late, and to explore Gwalior, I thought we'll need more time. So we'll do a small city on the way to Gwalior, which will be like our filler city, and then we'll be in Gwalior tonight, and tomorrow we'll explore Gwalior. So that's going to be the plan. Today's city is going to be Dhatia. Yeah, there's a palace there, and yeah, we'll explore that also. Alright, guys, I got on the bus. I don't know how much ticket, but I think it will take me maybe 2 hours. It should. I thought it'll take me like an hour or so, but I don't know. I think they're stopping and going, so it's taking time. Yeah, guys, we've reached Datia bus stand. Okay, I was calling it Datia, but apparently it's Datia. The bus drivers, everyone at the bus stand was so confused. I said Datia. It's Datia. I want to get some samosas for breakfast, and then we'll see what to do. Macha, I had that samosa, it was 20 rupees. But bro, they gave it with like some sort of chutney, bro. Now I'm like, I feel a little like maybe I should not have had that samosa. Trying to look for something to cleanse my palate. Macha, I was looking for water, bro. I know, I was looking for lassi, but I only found water. Hey, let's just head to the places to see. So we can come back and then we can leave to Gwalior. Yo guys, I was just walking on this road. This bhaiya in this house called me. It's like, come drink water. हाँ भैया एक मिनट. Thank you जी. Damn bro, nice people.
अरे यार बेटा,
हाँ जी.
पानी वाले आदमी कोई हुए,
हाँ.
बच्चे वाले हुए तो माने हर को आदमी आदमी से प्रेम करता है
हाँ जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
है ना. चाहे तुम लाखों रुपए लाए हो, बात से मतलब नहीं रखता कभी. करो आराम
Thank you
से
जी.
सो. ठीक है, रात भर जगे है तो ये नहीं बोतल में तो नहीं
नहीं नहीं नहीं नहीं. हम ना आज एक्चुअली ग्वालियर जाने वाले थे. उसके पहले दातिया में रुकना था. हाँ बस नहीं, बस देखना था. देखकर आज ही चले जाएंगे ग्वालियर.
ऐसे हम रोका थे ही ऐसे रात है ही रोका था
अच्छा.
अपने अपने तुम लेफ्ट से रोका. अरे लेफ्ट से. अच्छा, तुम आओ भी कहाँ से आ गो जामे.
हाँ
तुम आओ भी कहाँ से आ गो.
आप भी आ रहे हैं.
नहीं, हम आओ तो आ रहा हो, जो तुम आओ भी आ गो.
हाँ मेरा भी आ रहा है, दोनों का आ रहा है.
तुम लोग फोटो के कैमरा में सफाई है जामे.
हाँ ठीक है. Bro, it was such a random ass experience, bro. Just walking there, the guy called me to his house. Okay. And like at first it was so sweet, bro. I was like, wow, someone's just randomly called us just to drink water and chapati and all. Actually, I think a very sweet guy, very nice guy, okay. But I couldn't understand a lot of what he was saying. And in between, he was saying something like, he asked me, you married and all those things, okay. Like traveling, whatever. Like, bro, I didn't understand a lot of what he's saying. I'm just trying to give some context. And then in between, I heard, ये kada hota hai ya nahi hota hai? And I'm like, what kada hota hai ya nahi hota hai? So it becomes a thing of like, does your dick go up or not? I was like, is that what he's talking about? And he's like, जब कड़ा होता है तो मारने के लिए कुछ चाहिए या फिर ऐसे करना है ना. And then he's laughing. He's like, हम मजाक में कर रहे हैं. I'm like, why is some old uncle talking about having sex and masturbating with me? And then, so I was a little like weirded out, but I was laughing and all. Then we talked a little bit more. And then before leaving, he's like, आपको जो अगले बार आप लौटोगे ना ग्वालियर से या कहीं और से, आ जाना, हम कुछ भी तैयार कर लेंगे आपको. And then he does like the finger in the whole motion. He's like, ये भी चाहिए तो करवा देंगे. Bro, what is with these random monks being so freaking creepy sometimes, bro? भैया खुला है? We have come to the Chhatris, bro. Let's go. Bro, they have like small Chhatris as well. This is the Chhatri of Maharaja Indrajit. Ruled in Datia from 1736 to 1762. Damn, can you guys hear the sound? Cenotaph of King Subakaran, 1640 AD. Yo, Machan, there is a lake here. Pretty cool place, bro. Alright, time to go inside. Oh, crazy. The big cenotaph. Chhatri of the Chhatris. Chhatri of Maharaja Parikshit. Parikshat. Machan, here it says Maharaja Parikshit died in 1839. His adopted son and successor Vijay Bahadur built this beautiful cenotaph. Bro, one thing you've noticed here, right? They do adopting a lot of sons here, bro. So it's cool, right? Usually, like in Indian kings and whatever, it's always like, um, my hair. It should be my blood child that will take over the throne. This guy is adopted. My Jhansi Rani adopted one son. They're adopting, which is a sign of progression, bro. It's that it's not only about lineage and bloodlines. You know, yeah. Then here is Chhatri of Maharaja Vijay Bahadur, the adopted son. Pretty cool. Yo guys, I'm just walking through some random ass part of the town. I'm heading to this Datia Palace. I've been walking for like at least like 15 minutes. There's another 15 minutes to go. Thirsty, man. So I was feeling thirsty and I got a sting and a munch, bro. I've actually never had a sting before. Let's try it. Actually nice, bro. It's like an apple juice type. I've heard some people say sting is ass, but I like it, bro. Okay, so you see these shops? Above that is the fort, bro. On the other side. I don't know how to get there. Okay, so I asked the guy in a local shop. He said go like this, take left, then go around to the other side. But the guy from that side said come here. I don't know, man. Okay, I think I found the entrance. Let's see if this is it. Macha, I came through that gate. It just brought me to some empty ass ground, bro. Is that the fort? I don't know. Macha, I saw someone go through this door. भैया पैलेस यही है पैलेस पैलेस दतिया पैलेस कहाँ से जाते हैं He said there's nothing here. What the hell? Yo guys, I'm just checking where Google Maps is telling me to go. And this is where it's telling me to go, bro. Honestly, I don't know if we're gonna see any fort, bro. Yo, macha! We've come to the Datia Palace. And it's where trucks are loading their goods, I think. Wow, what a fall from grace. I think this is the palace. Google is showing me behind this. But we were there, it was just an empty ground there. I don't know. भैया दतिया पैलेस यही है क्या? दतिया पैलेस महल महल दतिया महल सामने है अच्छा वो सामने है अच्छा इधर पास में ही तो है अच्छा okay so maybe this is not the mahal it's over there somewhere not, it doesn't look like it's anywhere, bro. Okay, now we are getting somewhere. Alright, Datia, maybe I must have underestimated you, bro. Hey, let's see what you got. Okay, so that is apparently the Veer Singh Palace, bro. Okay, but to get there, Google Maps shows the entrance is on the other side. I came from the other side, I came here. So I have to go back around like this and then go there. I don't even know if it's open and we can go inside. But look, here there's a talab, bro. It's a lake. And then there's a hill over there. And there's a staircase leading to the top. So you can go up there also. The view from there might be good. But I'm not going this way. I was initially thinking we can go up. And then I'll go around and come. But like, now we have to go here and left. Not right. So maybe next time, bro. I mean, there's never gonna be next time, but yeah, this is what it is. Yo guys, I think the entrance to the fort is somewhere on this road. But I also found something else over there, bro. What the hell? I don't know. First, let's go to one place. There's also something by the lake over there, bro. What? I just saw it. Damn, so many like forgotten. Uh, There's a military guy calling me. Some military guy just called me, bro. And he's like, "Where are you from? What's your name? Father's name and all." And then he said, "Okay, go." Like until he said, "Okay, go," he felt a little scary. And then he felt super. And then at the moment he said, "Okay, go," he felt super nice. Yeah, you can go from here. This is the road. I don't know, man. It's just your own fears comes out. Na? It's from within. It's not from the other person. It's not externally. It's from your own. It's from your inner self. So you don't need to be afraid of people. All right, macha. We've made it to the palace. Woo. Ticket was 20 rupees, and this place is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. So it's cheap and decently maintained as well. So freaking tired carrying this bag. Oh, is that freaking rats? Look at that birds. Oh shit, flashlight is on. But it stinks of piss, bro. Never mind when I said it's maintained by Archaeological Survey of India, it should be good. Stinks. Okay, guys, I think I'm in the first floor, bro. Okay, and here already you can see there are like there's one like old building over there, you see, and there's one right in front of us, and there's one over there, which is the one we saw from that side of the lake. Okay, so basically, I think these are all like parts of the fort complex. And forts have been ruined, and then these like small houses came in afterwards. Look at this much. Pretty cool, right? I'm getting like very similar vibes to Orcha Fort. I feel like the design is similar, the staircase is similar, and even the color palette seems somewhat similar, but different to the Jhansi Fort. Alright guys, I'm leaving the fort now. Pretty cool fort, bro. It's actually like 5 floors, but the first 2 floors are just stairs. You can't see anything there. And then time to go. Yo, macha, I first went to the bus stand, couldn't find a bus. So quickly took an auto to come to the railway station to take this train. So this was the super fast train, Taj Express. Supposed to leave at 3:30, but it got delayed to 3:45. I came here, 60 rupees ticket, but bro, there's no place to sit. But I kept my bag over there. Bro, note to self, never take a bus, never take a train going to Delhi, bro. It's always going to be crowded. Hi guys, welcome to Gwalior. It's actually pretty quick, bro. 1 hour only. So yeah, super fast express, Taj Express. Phone is low charge. Need to go and find hotel quickly. Macha, there's a mall right in front of the railway station. I want to go to these hotels here and check if any of them are cheap. Macha, I ended up coming to this hotel Chandralok. You see that? It's right in front of the railway station. And when I came here, the guy said 700 rupees. I said, Bhaiya, 400. Then he said 500. I love this negotiation tech. But this is my room. I'm pretty sure, bro, if we looked around. Oh my god, yeah. Pretty sure if we looked around. Pretty sure if we looked around, we can find a better hotel. But this is the room. It's a fan and a cooler. See, the room is more than enough, but the toilet is a bit small, right? But still, I think it's water is coming. Western toilet still more than enough. We don't need. It's a decently clean. We're chilling. Yo guys, I came to some local restaurant. I got a thali for 100 rupees, bro. 4 chapatis with rice, dal, matar paneer, sabji, and raita. And I'm watching Simon Among Us. Peak dinner life. Okay, came to buy a shop. Got some lassi, bro. Try it. 50 rupees, he said. Listen. ABC, eat it. Decent. Good enough. But the one we had yesterday at that Rakesh Chaat Bhandar was something else, bro. That was banger. ये गजक वाला मिठाई यही है क्या? गजक? अच्छा तो ये क्या है? पीठा? पीठा है पीठा। आगरा से अच्छा। ये गजक यही है क्या? हाँ। गजक मिठाई यही है? हाँ। एक पीस कैसे मिलता है? अच्छा मोरेना गजक क्या है? यही होता है। अच्छा दोनों वही होते हैं सेम कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है
पीस नहीं आएगा पैकेट आता है पूरा
पैकेट आता है पैकेट के बॉक्स
150 रुपये
Why is the guy getting mad, bro? I just asked how much one piece is. Yeah, one box is 150. But I'm not gonna get a box, bro. Anyway, this is how much we spent today. This is how much we walked today. Yeah, that's it.